Fourth problem, we have the series 9, 17, 25 up to n terms. We don't know how many terms are there, and sum of n terms is 636. We need to find the n value, means for how many terms of this AP, the sum of terms will be 636. Means here we just want to find the number of terms, that is value of n. So the given series is 9, 17, 25. So from the given series we have a equal to 9, d equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. So we have Sn, so we'll directly put or use the Sn formula, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn value is 636, n value we don't have. 2 into a value is 9 plus n minus 1 into d value is 8. So this will be 636 is equal to n by 2 into 2 9s are 18 plus 8 into n is 8n minus 8. So this will be 636 equal to n by 2 into 18 minus 8 will be 10 plus 8n. So here we can take 2 common. So this is 2 into 5 plus 4n. So this 2 gets cancelled. We are left with 636 equal to n into 5 plus 4n, and 636 equal to 5n plus 4n square. This can also be written as 4n square plus 5n minus 636. 4n square plus 5n minus 636. Now, this is a quadratic equation. So, to find the n value, we have to factorize the given, that is the quadratic equation. So, the equation is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 equal to 0. So we can find using the splitting of middle term or the formula method, that is b square minus root of 4a, b square minus 4ac by 2a, or splitting of middle term. So we use splitting of middle term. For using splitting of middle term, we will first multiply the first and last term, that is minus 636 into 4. So 6 4 the 24, 6 3 the 4 3 are 12 plus 2 14, 6 4 are 24 plus 1 25. Answer is 2544. So when we multiply, we should get 2544, and because the middle term is plus, we will take plus into minus. Product is minus, so we will take plus into minus. So we have to get, when we minus the terms, we have to get 5, and when we multiply, we should get 2544. So when we prime factorize it, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14. So this is a 9, 10 and 17, and 2544 we can easily write it as 53 into 48. So this will be 4n square. You can get this value 53 into 48 when you cross that prime factorize 2544. That you have to do. Plus 5n. 53 minus 53 plus 44. Plus 53. Sorry, the big number will be plus and the smaller will be minus, because we are taking plus into minus. Why we are taking plus into minus? Because the middle term is plus. So we are taking plus into minus. If the middle term is minus, we have to take minus into plus. This prime factorization you can easily understand when you do quadratic equations. There I have clearly explained the middle term, splitting of middle term, that is factorization using middle term and also using the formula method. So this is 53n plus minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. So here n is common, so 4n plus 53. Here from these two also we will get 4n plus 53 common. So minus 12 will minus is minus, and 48 nothing but 12 into 4. So 4 is already in the bracket. So 12 will be outside the bracket. So n minus 12 and 4n plus 53 equal to 0. So n minus 12 equal to 0 and 4n plus 53 equal to 0. N is equal to 12 when you bring this minus 12 to the right hand side, and this is 4n is equal to minus 53, n equal to minus 53 by 4, because the position n is nothing but the position of the series or the number, so that cannot be in fraction or in negative terms. So we will discard this value and take n equal to 12, which is positive and is a whole number. Therefore we need 12 terms. So Sn is equal to 636 is the answer.